Hello, hello.
Hello, this is Hotel Grand Court. How can I help you?
Please help me. I noticed my 100K watch is missing. I am resident at room number 104.
Oh, really? Then can I get your full name first, please?
My name is Linda binti Muhammad.
Alright, miss, please wait a minute. I have checked your details. You booked a deluxe room for a week, right?
Yes, it is.
Well, miss, we do apologize for the inconvenience. May I know when do you realize your watch is missing? Have you invited anyone in your room or did anything suspicious happen to you before?
I lost my watch just now. Oh, I remember. Before I was leaving yesterday, there were three guys entered my room without my permission. I was shocked. Luckily, I was covered my aura perfectly because I want to go to the lobby. I guess they were a housekeeping staff.
Oh, then can you describe the housekeeping guy and at what time they went to your room?
They wore a full black outfit and they brought a trolley and a few broom and mops. I guess it was around 10 in the morning.
I am afraid to say that our housekeeping operation actually started on 12 p.m. where usually all residents will having a lunch. So, would you like to wait a moment, miss? I would like to contact security to check CCTV on that time.
Oh, please. That was really precious to me.
Thank you for waiting, miss. We have confirmed that they are not our housekeeping staff. We noticed that they wore black uniform, meanwhile ours wearing navy blue uniform.
Oh my god. What's wrong with the hotel security management?
On the behalf of our security hotel management, I am very sorry to you and we felt terrible for what happened to you. As for now, our security had already contacted the police and we will take this case seriously. I hope you remain calm and just wait and be prepared for the police to investigate.
Thank you. Please keep me updated. I really need that watch.
Alright, miss, I will update to you if anything happens.
Okay, bye.
Bye, thank you, miss.